This is a Brooklyn-bound 2 train. The next stop is Wall Street.
Stand clear of the closing doors, please.
Welcome back. This is Not Your Advisor on Wednesday, July 29th. Warsh is actually still speaking, and the markets have completely U-turned as far as the Dow being down like almost 1,000 points. It's now only down 500. NASDAQ is up. It was red in the beginning most of the day, and the S&P 500 is also green while he is speaking. For fidelity purposes, I wanted to record this before the close. It's before 3 o'clock. I suspect that dip buyers are going to be reaped very shortly. I'll cover this in a minute. But even with the U-turn, one anecdotal evidence, SPY has traded 32 million shares at 256 New York. The average daily is 52 million. If today was reversal on Warsh and we're finishing up 3%, 2%, 1.5% across the board, and we saw SPY volume at like 90 million shares, I would say, yeah, this is a big turnaround. The Fed didn't raise. They're dovish. They're going to cut versus raise. Fine. That is not what we're seeing today. And he talked a lot about price stability. What, WTF, what is price stability for the Fed? I want natural price discovery. Today's podcast headline image is by Joseph Kepler, The Bosses of Senate. And they're not government employees, they're corporations. Dip buyers have been rewarded for years. I'm going to examine today whether they're about to receive the consequences or not. And viewer discretion. Humans are the walruses of this video rolling down the cliff because someone else went first. FOMO remains undefeated in Homo sapiens. A lot to cover. But I can't even watch Fed pressers, and whether it's Powell or Bernanke or Warsh talking about price stability, I want to see price discovery through prices. So at 245, we had 213 new highs versus 236 new lows. 41% advanced versus 56% declined. About 50% below the 50 and 200-day moving averages. There were 23 profitable names in the NASDAQ making new highs. Do you know what number one was? Profitable companies. AI, was it tech, software? Cheesecake Factory. Can you smell the calories? Cheesecake Factory. Slide Insurance, Expedia, Dropbox, Stagwell, First Boozy Corp is a bank. Texas Roadhouse, we've talked about this a few times now. Restaurant, QSR. Actually, I don't know if it's QSR. Chipotle Mexican Grill, that's a QSR. I don't know if Texas Roadhouse would qualify. Profitable companies making new highs in the NYSE. Ashland Chemicals. Zurn, LK Water, obviously water treatment. Par Pacific Oil and Gas. Brinker International Restaurants. USA Today Newspapers. Highwood Properties. Real Estate REIT. Ring Central, Acadia, Lifetime Group, Target, Corteva, No AI, sectors. Let's look at that.
We can't forget that this is just a small taste of the in-depth analysis that Not Your Advisor provides. They don't just throw numbers at you. They connect the dots, find those hidden trends, and help you understand what's driving the markets.
If you want the full picture, you got to check out the full Not Your Advisor episode.
Don't forget to subscribe to notyouradvisor.com.
And all their premium content. I mean, it's like having a direct line to what's really going on in the market.
It is. It really is. They cut through all the BS and give you the kind of info that you just won't find anywhere else.
Think about this. Investing is all about making decisions that work for you and your goals. You're the one in control.
Not Your Advisor can give you the map, but you choose where you want to go.
And with that empowering thought, we'll sign off. Happy investing.
Stand clear of the closing doors, please.